SOPRESEAL Stick Primer is specifically designed to maximize the adherence of SOPRESEAL self-adhesive membranes to walls. The roll-applied version of the primer can also be spray-applied now. Quick to install, SOPRESEAL Stick Primer offers very high covering power and very fast drying time, allowing you to apply the waterproofing membrane on the surface in only a few minutes. The installation simplicity of SOPRESEAL Stick Primer allows you to save precious time, use minimum product quantity, and reduce labor costs. SOPRESEAL Stick Primer can be easily sprayed in cold weather without being conditioned, which gives it a very large application window. Easy to transport. The equipment needed to spray SOPRESEAL Stick Primer requires little time to get going. Moreover, the equipment is reusable and easy to clean. When the work is done, there is no need to place the SOPRESEAL Stick Primer container into a specialized place such as a pressurized tank. Preparing the equipment to spray-apply SOPRESEAL Stick Primer is easy. First, mix the bucket. Then, open the cover with a flathead screwdriver. Do not connect the pump to the air yet. Put it in the bucket and tighten the screws of the built-in tray to the pump on top of the bucket. Connect the pump to the air. It will start automatically. Adjust the air pressure to the required level. Finally, drain the hoses to remove the cleaner from when it was last used. 2 hoses are connected to the gun, one from the product and the other for air. The gun is equipped with 3 adjustment valves. The first valve, located at the bottom, is used to activate and deactivate the air intake. The second valve, the biggest of the 3, which is located over the first valve, is adjustable and controls the amount of product that is sprayed. The third valve on the top controls the width of the spray. To maximize the performance of spray-applied SOPRESEAL Stick Primer, there are a few recommendations for the application technique. Respect the spray width recommended for best results. A perpendicular position to the substrate is required to achieve uniform wetting. The key is to obtain even wetting of the primer on the substrate. The distance and speed of the spray is very important, since they make it possible to prevent the product from curing before reaching the substrate, and ensure that wetting is sufficient and consistent on the surface area sprayed. Once the spraying of SOPRESEAL Stick Primer has been completed, cleaning the machine using mineral spirits is required. First, turn off the air on the gun in order to have a non-atomized jet. Put the pump into a container of mineral spirits. Leave the compressor on to activate the pump. Expel the contents into another container until the spray no longer contains any primer. Finally, after use, dispose of the used mineral spirits, which are not reusable. It is not necessary to drain the hoses at the end of the cleaning process. This can be done during the next use. For all the details on the spray-applied SOPRESEAL Stick Primer, please consult your SOPREMA representative.